a few words of inspiration. This song is dedicated to the hustlers standing on the curb, smoking herb, moving weight from the inner city to the suburb. Paranoid in jail, pocket full of Yale, just waiting on another sale. Sip your beers, wipe your tears, encourage your peers. It's gonna be alright, alright.
Everything is gonna be alright. Sell your dope, make your money every night.
Get on down.
Them brothers round the corner, they wanna start a fight.
That's alright.
Sell your dope, keep on hustling until your money's right.
Say what?
You and your girl,
Come on, y'all.
argue every night. Sell your dope,
I love you, baby.
especially when your pockets are tight.
I gotta do my
You
thing.
can't find a job because your skin ain't white. Sell your dope, brother, you know this world ain't right.
Hey, what's up, little inchworm? I hope this letter make you feel just a little bit better. Got your t-shirt thick, your khakis creased so you can be G'd up when you get released. Me and my homeboys put together some chippers to buy some beer and a couple of strippers. You can use my car till you find your own. I can't wait till you get home, but later on, the money that you get from your GR check, that should be enough to put you back on deck. Now I know you want parole, but don't be scared. This time we'll be prepared. Fuck the Fed, don't say shit.